Hey guys, this is Zach with Next Tech News, and I was just trying to show you guys what I changed in the build now. Obviously, everything is now connected to the back of this monitor, just like an all-in-one would be. Basically, I used to have two different power cords coming off of this rig, and so when my mom would go to set it up, she would have to plug in two different outlets in, and I decided to make this a little bit easier for her before I've even gotten to show it to her. Basically, I put a little power strip on here with some mounting tape. Now there's just one cable coming off of this to plug in. With a wireless keyboard and everything set up, literally she will have no wires. She's got Wi-Fi, she's got everything, her power bricks, everything is installed to the back of this monitor. And what I even did was, if I turn this around real quick, so you can see that it's on and everything, and she has 7 USB ports here, all connected USB 3.0. So basically, if she needs to plug anything in, she doesn't have to reach around the monitor or anything like that. She can just plug it directly into the front. So I thought I'd just update you guys on that. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Zach with Next Tech News. See ya!